Welcome to the Charmnjewelry Showcase. Christmas is on its way, and what better way to show your Christmas spirit than with Charmnjewelry's 12 Days of Christmas Charms collection. Each crafted beautifully to create a wonderful Christmas display. You know the 12 days of Christmas, right? The fourth day? On the fourth day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 4 calling birds. Can you hear them? It is 12 days, so check out the next video to discover the entire collection, and remember to get your order in now by going to charmnjewelry.com.